तो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। होप यू आर एडिंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। दोस्तों, आज के हमारी वीडियो के टॉपिक का टाइटल है राइज एंड फॉल ऑफ डुन्जो। Deloitte has feared that Dunzo is going to bankrupt, but Dunzo thinks it will become corporate level profitable in upcoming 12 months. So what is going on with Dunzo? Let's know in today's video. See, in 2015, Kabir Biswas had an idea for a pickup and drop service that soon turned into a business which is today known as Dunzo. But Dunzo needed to diversify itself into something that was a daily use case. So it decided to simply pick up and deliver daily essentials from local supermarkets and kirana stores. But this business model of Dunzo was not efficient and profitable. So Dunzo decided to open their own dark stores. Dark store is basically a warehouse in which you store products, pack them and deliver to the customers. When COVID-19 pandemic came in year 2020, many people started ordering groceries from Dunzo, and it made sense to focus more on delivering groceries because it became very popular, especially since Reliance company handed over 1500 crore rupees for 26% stake in Dunzo. But doing all this came at a massive cost, which was high rent, buying and storing inventory and large number of employees. In fact, when Dunzo switched to dark store model, its per day delivery cost increased from 30 rupees to 80 rupees, and there was increasing competition from other platforms like Zepto, Swiggy, Blinkit and Big Basket. So Dunzo offered massive discounts and spent money on advertising during IPL season. But as soon as these discounts were taken back from Dunzo's app, customers went back in search for other alternatives, which resulted into Dunzo losing 1800 crore rupees in financial year 2023, which is 8 times the revenue Dunzo made in financial year 2023. And out of $408 million raised from year 2019 to year 2023, Dunzo has already spent $401 million. Currently, Dunzo is only left with $7 million, which is scary. This was the reason why Deloitte said that Dunzo doesn't have enough money in the bank anymore. Well, if we see reaction of Dunzo on this, Dunzo does not think so. Dunzo is becoming a logistics player through Dunzo Merchant Services, which is B2B vertical. On the other hand, Dunzo has already shut down 70% of its dark stores and also fired hundreds of employees. So at the end, Dunzo is all over left with a small fund, a different business model and a small team, and it believes that Deloitte is getting them all wrong. So we will have to just wait and see who turns out to be right. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And you can check out our second video, which is on LIC crisis.